Welcome back to the Day in the Life of a Criminal Judge. Today I want to talk to you about 6 myths about the criminal justice system. Number 1, if you're not read your Miranda rights, the case will get thrown out. Well, that's not necessarily true. If you're on the street, officer walks up to you and starts to talk to you, and you talk back and say things that could be incriminating, it's called a consensual encounter. If you're not in police custody, you're not in the handcuffs, you're not in a police car, you're free to go at any point, things that you say can be used against you because it's a consensual encounter. Number 2, you have to be physically in possession of a drug to be arrested for possession of that said drug. Incorrect. If you're in a car and there is marijuana under the seat that you're sitting in, you could be arrested for possession of marijuana. Possession means access or control. And considering that you have access and control over that marijuana sitting underneath your seat, you can be arrested for it. Number 3, throw this one in there for a little razzle dazzle. Judges use their gavels to control the courtroom. I've never used this. Not once. My bailiff, that is his job. Care, custody, and control over my courtroom. This isn't gonna do anything. But my bailiff, he can straighten you up if you need to be straightened out. Number 4. It is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, so what better time to talk about this one than today? Victims of domestic violence can drop their cases. Even if a victim of domestic violence does not want to cooperate and they go to the prosecutor's office and say, I'm not cooperating, I don't want these charges, they lost the power on how that case will be resolved when that arrest was made. The state of Texas now takes over and they get to decide how they want to resolve the case. That may mean going forward with the case even though you don't want to cooperate. Number 5. Private attorneys work much harder than court-appointed attorneys. Not true. The only difference between court-appointed attorneys and private attorneys are that court-appointed attorneys are being paid for by me. They're private attorneys that I pay for because you can't afford to pay for them. Court-appointed attorneys have their own law firms, then they charge private attorney fees to everyone else who can afford that, and they charge the court for those who can't. Myth number 6. Let's end with something related to domestic violence. Family violence cases only applies to those that you are dating. Family violence includes those that you have children in common with, you have been dating, you were dating, you live with. So that means that if you get into a fight with your sibling, you can go to jail for family violence. If you get into a fight with your live-in uncle, you can go to jail for family violence. You hit your mama's boyfriend, you can go to jail for family violence. It's not limited to dating or being in a marriage. Drop it in the comments of what else y'all want to know about. Any questions? That's it.